Welcome to 2564 Old Military Road, a refined Rogue Valley estate where luxury, privacy, and everyday function come together. Set on 2.21 impeccably maintained acres, this single-level home captures sweeping views of Mount McLoughlin, Roxy, the valley, and surrounding mountains. The setting feels peaceful and private, yet it's just minutes from Jacksonville, Medford, and the best of Southern Oregon. Inside, the home is warm, elegant, and beautifully finished. Acacia wood floors, imported Travertine tile, leathered granite counters, custom cabinetry, vaulted ceilings, and expansive windows that frame the views. The thoughtful split floor plan places 2 bedrooms and a full bath on one side of the home. The luxury primary suite is privately positioned on the other. Outside, manicured grounds, mature landscaping, pasture, and covered patios create an inviting estate setting. Separate luxury guest quarters add flexibility and comfort. Below, the shop and attached covered storage provide space for RVs, boats, trailers, equipment, and hobbies. This is a complete Southern Oregon property, polished, peaceful, and ready to enjoy.